Fix Google Play Store not able to download apps. Let's not waste any more time and I try to it. So first you open your settings, your phone settings, and once you open your phone settings, click on apps and then go to Google Play Store. And once you click on Google Play Store, here you have to click on storage and cache. Once you click on that, first click on clear cache. Once your cache is cleared, click on clear storage. Now once you have cleared this, to be on a safer end, you have to do the next step too, which is you go back and you go back again and click on see all apps and search for service, and here you'll find an option of Google Play services. Click on that. Here you have to click on storage and cache. Here you have to clear cache and here you have to clear storage. And once you clear all data, once you clear all data and you go back, most probably your Play Store will be able to download new apps. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.